Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Let us solve this equation. As we know a formula, x to the power m with nth root can be written as x to the power m by n. Now we can write this as square root of x, square root of x, square root of x is equal to, this is x to the power 1 with second root. Then we can write this as square root of x, square root of x multiply with x to the power 1 by 2. Now we know a formula, that is x to the power m into x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. Hence we can write this as square root of x multiply with x to the power, this is 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Now again when we are looking into this term, this is the second root and we can write this expression as square root of x, x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 2, that is we can write it as multiply with 1 by 2. Now we can write this as square root of x into x to the power 3 by 4. Further simplifying, we write this as x to the power 1 plus 3 by 4, that is equal to square root of x to the power 7 by 4. And again we can simplify this as x to the power 7 by 4 divided by 2, that is multiply with 1 by 2, and this will become x to the power 7 by 8. Hence the question is square root of x multiply with square root of x multiply with square root of x divided by x. And now we know the value for this is this one, then we can write it as x to the power 7 by 8 divided by x to the power 1. As we know, x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. We can write this as x to the power 7 by 8 minus 1, that is equal to x to the power minus 1 by 8. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.